Introducing the Gemini Twinsweep Pool Cleaner. In the box you will find regular hoses, a leader hose, the main body assembly, a Gemini regulator valve, and the skirt. To assemble, ensure the ridges on the skirt are facing upwards and slot it into the grooves on the cleaner head. Attach the leader hose to the main body assembly, followed by the rest of the hoses. Ensure the arrow on the regulator valve is facing downwards. Set the regulator valve by adjusting the pins and attach it to the last hose. Gently lower the cleaner into the water. Thread the hoses through the weir and plug the regulator valve into the vac lid. The Pool Team, South Africa's trusted expert in affordable pool solutions.